In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video to card.co. If you want to place a video directly on your card site, the key requirement is that you'll need a Card Pro plan with the embed feature. The free plan doesn't support embedded video, so if you're on free, consider upgrading before you continue. With that out of the way, let's walk through the process clearly and simply. We'll start by getting the video embed code. You can use YouTube, Vimeo, or any hosting platform that gives you an iframe embed. On YouTube, open your video, click share, then embed, and copy the code that appears. On Vimeo, it's a similar flow. Click share, choose embed, and copy the provided iframe. If your platform offers extra options like autoplay or hiding controls, feel free to adjust those before copying, but keep in mind that autoplay may be blocked on some devices. The important piece is that you end up with the full iframe code ready to paste. Now head into your card editor and open the site where you want the video to appear. Click the plus button to add a new element and choose embed. In the settings for this element, set the type to code. You'll see a code field appear. Paste the iframe embed code exactly as you copied it. If you run into an error, double check that it's an iframe, not a script snippet, since Card expects iframe code for video embeds. With the embed in place, let's size and position it so it looks great. Use the width and height controls to match your layout, keeping an eye on the video's aspect ratio so it doesn't look squished. A common size for a clean look is setting the element to a width that fits your design and letting height adjust automatically. You can also drag the element on the canvas to place it exactly where you want it, above or below other sections, centered or aligned with your text and buttons. Preview on both desktop and mobile to make sure it's responsive. If it feels cramped on smaller screens, reduce the width or add spacing around it for a balanced layout. When you're happy with how it looks and behaves, it's time to publish. Click Publish in the editor. Card will push your changes live so your visitors can see and play the video directly on your site. Give the page a quick refresh in your browser to confirm everything loads smoothly. That's it. With a Pro plan, an iframe embed, and a few layout tweaks, your video is live on Card.